Hey guys, so today I've got a little bit of a random one. This just turned up on my doorstep. I didn't know that they were sending anything. They didn't really ask if I would do a video, so I'm just assuming this was a gift in case I wanted to show you. But I got a box of amazing goodies from Revolution. Now, I buy their stuff all the time. In my last Halloween haul, I had some of the Beetlejuice things. I had the clown kind of palette. The makeup I use daily is a lot of Revolution stuff, so this is really cool. So it just says Revolution and Beetlejuice on the front. I think it's a bit of kind of their normal collection and their Beetlejuice collection. I literally only opened it up to see what this was. I've not looked at everything. It arrived like 2 minutes ago while I was filming something else. So we are going to open this and see what is in here. I am super excited. It looks full of stuff. So we will have a see. So when you open it up, at the top it just has the Beetlejuice and the little carnival curiosity design. So this was the palette that I got in my last Halloween haul, and I think a lot of this stuff I don't have, so that is really nice. You can't buy this box, unfortunately. It is just like a PR kind of box, but you can buy them all separately. So I'll tell you the prices of each individual item that I show. So it's all packaged very nicely down here. So the first item right on the top is one of the Beetlejuice items, and this is a lipstick called My Whole Life is a Dark Room. And if I can open it up, I will do. I have really long nails on, which I can never open anything with these on, but I will try my best. Okay, we are back with a little knife because I don't want to break my nails off. So, oh, okay, so it's not actually called My Whole Life is a Dark Room. That's just a quote to be cute on the box. It's called Lydia, and it's a super, super bright red, so I'm going to assume the lipstick is as well. I am dressing as a clown later tonight, so this might be very helpful. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to show up, but it has a little beetle kind of engraved in there. And it's a super, super bright red colour. I'll do a quick little swatch on my hand. Very pigmented. I didn't expect it to be so opaque. So that is our Lydia lipstick. Next, we have one of the eyeliners. Now, I didn't buy this because I didn't really know how it was going to work. I'm not going to be able to really show it in this video because I think you need water. But this is the Barbara water liner. I will get this one out to show you as well. So it actually comes with two things in here, which is really cute. It comes with a little tiny makeup brush, liner brush. It's purple with a green end, super soft. And then this is what the water liner looks like itself. It's kind of like a black and white swirled cake. So what you do is you put a little bit of water on your brush or on here, and you could probably use it as 3 different colours. I'm going to assume if you just touched the black, you would get black. If you just touched the white, you would get white. But I think if they mix together, they're going to be a grey silver kind of colour. So that is the water liner. If I do test this out, I will put it on my Instagram story or something to show you guys. Next, we've got one of the mascaras. So this is green mascara for lashes, brows and hair. It's called Strange and Unusual. And I will quickly show you what this one looks like. The packaging on this one is super cute. It's got a little bug at the top and it's all stripy and stuff. Oh, the tube is really pretty as well, so that's also got a little bug, and then it's stripy, like shiny and matte black. And very, very bright green. I'm not going to put it on my hair because my outfit is red later, but I will try and show you a little bit on my hand if I can. So that is what the green mascara colour looks like. I'm not sure I'd use it on my eyes, but I would definitely maybe put it in my hair, especially if I had plaits. It'd be cute to do a little bit of a green kind of thing. So there is that. Next, I've got the palette, which I didn't buy, which is really good. So this is just the Beetlejuice shadow palette. This was the main one. I didn't buy this one purely because I've got a lot of similar colours, honestly. But now that I've got it, I'm pretty excited about it. This is what the Beetlejuice palette looks like. It opens from the front here with little magnets. And oh, it's really pretty. Okay, so it says Ghost with the Most on this side. And it's got a little Beetlejuice on this side. And then this is what the colours look like. I'm not going to swatch them because this is going to end up being a really long video. But as you can see, it's a lot of greens, purples, a little bit of like gold and grey and stuff as well. But mainly pinky purples and greens and stuff like that. So that is the little Beetlejuice palette. And then we've got two more things. So this one isn't a Beetlejuice one. This one is just a Halloween one. Again, might end up using this later on. This is SFX, so special effects, fake blood jelly. Never had this before. It says apply onto the face and body to create cuts, bruises and wounds with a realistic gory look. I'm not sure I'm gonna, let's have a look. Let's see what it looks like. I might try it on my hand. I just don't want it to really stain. This is what the tub looks like. It's a really big tub. And, oh, it's got a lid, okay. So we have a little foamy lid. Oh, that is so gross. So it really does look like blood, like congealed, gloopy jelly blood. I bet that's amazing for a fake blood kind of look because it's not just runny and watery. I'm not going to test it out right now. I might put a little bit on later. But that is our jelly special effect blood. It's all coming out of the side now, so I'm just going to put it down before I make a mess. And then the very last thing I have is just a little mini Revolution palette. And this one is called Romantic Illusion. It's a very smoky black, grey and silver kind of palette. I will open it and show you some of them. If you know me, you know I love Revolution's glitters, so I am sticking my finger straight into that. Absolutely amazing. Their glitters are like pure sparkle, really opaque. When you use a brush, oh that's super bright, you can't really see, but when you use a brush they are still just as amazing as using your finger. Let's touch this darker one. So that is the kind of black one. It's not showing up good on my hand at all, but hopefully you can see it well on my fingers though. And then that is the rest of the colours in there. So yeah, that was everything that I got in this cute little Makeup Revolution kind of creator box. I will quickly show you them all again as I put them back in and tell you the prices, because I just remembered that I forgot to say the prices all the way through. So for the little Romantic Illusion palette, this is £6 or $8. For the little mascara, it's either £6 or $6. For the lipstick, it's £5 or $6. For the Beetlejuice palette, it's £12 or $15. For the waterliner, it's £6 or $6. And for the fake jelly blood, that's £4 or $6. So yeah, that was everything I got from Makeup Revolution. I'll put all of the links for them down below in case you want to go and check them out. I absolutely love their makeup, not just for Halloween, but I do use it daily anyway. One of my foundations I use is Makeup Revolution. The white foundation that I use to mix with my other foundation is also Makeup Revolution to make it paler. I've got so many eyeshadow palettes from them, so many eyeliners, so many lipsticks. So this was amazing. So thank you to them them for sending this to me, and hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.